Hey, what's up everybody? Today we're starting a brand new build on the channel, but this is not going to be your typical Honda Ruckus build. Oh no. This is going to be a Honda Metrock build. What? Nobody? Come on, man. And for those that don't know what I'm talking about, let me explain real quick. A Honda Metrock is built by taking the front end of a Honda Metropolitan and the rear end of a Honda Ruckus. You buy some cool wheels, you know, a bunch of other parts, you fuse them together, and then you get this really awesome looking scooter.
Oh my God! Wow!
So, and that's what we're doing today. We're gonna build a Honda Metrock. So what I'm going to do on this episode, I'm going to remove all this paint from the frame because I got this from eBay. This is used. As you can see, it's not new, but I wanna make this look better than when this frame left the factory. You know, I want all the welds to be smoothed out. I'm gonna cut the, I think this is the bracket where the tail light goes. I'm gonna cut that down. I'm gonna cut a bunch of other things that I don't need. So, and basically, I'm going to try to make this one of the best builds out there. So that's the challenge, to make this into a showroom scooter. And I'm gonna stop talking because if I don't, I'm gonna be here forever. So let's get to work. I just wanted to show you this tool real quick. This is an attachment for the grinder, and basically what this does is that whenever you're gonna grind something that is round, instead of using a metal grinding disc like this one, we're gonna use this sanding belt, and this is gonna give you the perfect shape. Like, you see? So this is gonna give you the perfect shape, and this is gonna avoid to have flat spots on the tubing, you know, and that's cool because that way you're not gonna have to use a lot of bundle and make this round again. So there we go. guys, after hours and hours and hours of work, this almost took me probably like around 20 hours during 5 days. I think this frame is starting to look pretty legit.
That was legitness. Yeah.
And even though it looks really nice, believe me, it's not perfect. So now I'm gonna have to use a little bit of Bondo to fill some of those imperfections on the frame, because everyone knows that if you want a good or a really nice paint job, everything starts from the bottom. So we gotta take care of that first before we paint this. So let's get the Bondo and the sanding paper. Let's go back to work.